I'm creating the first AI artist management tool, which will function in some capacity as a tool that can also replicate what record labels do to an extent, but for your own personal artists, and then you could build out other artists along it if you want. What we have here is the main dashboard. The main dashboard, also we've got a songs listing, so you can look at the songs that you have and you track a catalog for rights and works that you have in place, and you can track royalties, different contracts eventually that you'll have. Also, it's going to be a booking agent, so you can put in the different markets and areas that you have. It'll identify and run those markets. It'll identify the different venues and information. See, it shows like regional if you're going to do a tour. You could track the outreach that you're doing for those different places, and you can track the shows that you have coming up. It'll pull email addresses, consolidate all that there. Meta Insights is a extremely important one right here. If you're running advertisements, you can track different daily rates. This integrates through an API, pulls the information. You can see we've got the countries pulled here, age and gender, different placements on how that data is being used. You can pull your different campaigns that you've created or run and the different songs that you have based on that specific data. This is extremely powerful because it shows you the data in a way that you can't before. All of this, by the way, you can interact with it via natural language. This is built in this coding agent here, and for example, one of my songs is Magic Trick, so I can have it build out a campaign and a strategy based on the actual data that it sees. So you can ask it questions and have it figure out what your next campaign should be based on actual data that you've seen and research it does. And this is way, way more advanced than just running it through like ChatGPT app. You also have streaming insights. This is in pilot right now. I've broken apart Spotify, and I'm going to be integrating Apple Music as well. Just another way to look at more granular data. Right now, what you have to do is you have to log into all these accounts to see it in different places. Now, your distributor might have it. In this case, I put my United Masters distributor right in here, which consolidates information. But you can compare and contrast the information and just look at it and use it in different ways. Also, I'm going to add integration for my Etsy store. So when you sell merchandise, you'll be able to have that, and you can track your sales and actually maybe correlate it with your metadata if you're running ads to there. I'll add Google Ads integration as well if you use that, but you can maybe cross-track merchandise purchases. And again, you can use that natural language query to come up with campaigns and ideas and scour the web. This is your main dashboard and hub. But yeah, this is something I've been building. If you think this would be interesting, go ahead and leave a comment. This is a product that I'm going to be building out. I think it'll be extremely, extremely valuable for independent artists. Like, this puts you at like masterful data. It puts you at like basically a big record label where you can reproduce a lot of the activities. I'm going to have email automation built into it, so you can do outreach and you can track conversations. You could probably integrate and track messages from all your platforms to keep that. I mean, this is going to be like a super powerful tool. So leave comments if you have other ideas or if you'd be interested in this app.